How to integrate Webflow with Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through the process of seamlessly integrating your Webflow account with Shopify. This integration is simple and straightforward. However, it is essential to follow each step carefully to ensure you don't miss any important details. Firstly, make sure to watch the full video tutorial for a comprehensive understanding of the process. To connect Webflow with Shopify, we will use a powerful online tool called Zapier. Zapier serves as automation platform that allow you to connect two or more applications to automate various workflows. It offers both free and premium plans depending on your needs. Without further ado, let's get started. First is you need to sign up for an account in Zapier. It is easy to create an account in Zapier, just have to connect your Google account. In Zapier, a workflow that connects two applications is called Zap. Click Create Zap button to start creating your integration. You'll see two default options for connecting apps such as Trigger and Action, but you can add more apps later. For now, we will select Trigger. For our trigger, we will be putting Webflow. Choose an event that will trigger the action in the other app. For example, if we will going to choose new order, if you want to new order in Webflow to trigger an action in the connected app, then hit continue. And then we will be selecting action, and then we can connect our Webflow account by signing in. And then we just need to connect our Google account and then answer these questions for us to able to complete the process. First is put your first name and your last name, and then you build websites for say clients. Then what describes how you work with clients as a freelancer, what type of site, be a portfolio or a business site. And now that we have an Webflow account, we can now authorize the integration. Just click this and then authorize app. Then it is now already authorized. Then we go back to Zapier and choose the action. In case we have to put Shopify as our action, then click Shopify. And please note that Shopify integration requires a premium plan on Zapier. So the next would be selecting an event. Select the action that should follow when a new order is created in Webflow. So in this case, we would be choosing create customer and then continue. And now then we need to also connect our Shopify to Zapier, so we need to sign in. And in case that you don't have any Zapier app on your Shopify store yet, you can go to apps and then search for Zapier, and you need to install it. And then in this case, I've already integrated it in my account. And then we have to allow Zapier to access our Shopify account, so we need to put our username, the Shopify username, and then hit continue to Shopify. And now you are connected to Shopify and Zapier. You need to complete the required fields for the selected action. You can source these fields from Webflow or input static information, and then you have to hit continue. You have the option to test the action or to skip it depending on your preference. And then finally, you can publish to complete the integration. And congratulations, you have successfully integrated your Webflow account with your Shopify store using Zapier. This integration will streamline your workflow and help you manage your e-commerce operations more efficiently. I hope this version is helpful to you, and if you have any more requests or need further assistance, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.